The future of EU agriculture and food is defined by the European Green Deal. Its purpose is to reduce the environmental impact of food systems to attain a more sustainable supply chain. The Green Deal sets numerous objectives, and many can be reached more easily and sustainably through agricultural biotechnology. Spain's case with BT maize cultivation shows how biotech favours a more sustainable production model and can help attain Green Deal objectives. Spain is the largest producer of biotechnological maize in the European Union and has been growing BT maize continuously since 1998. BT maize is the only biotech variety approved for commercial cultivation in Europe. This maize is resistant to the European corn borer, a pest that eats the inside of the stem until the plant is killed, causing great losses to farmers. Over 30% of the maize crops in Spain each year is BT maize. A recent study analysed the benefits of this crop between 1988 and 2021. Let's take a look at the most important data. Over the course of these 24 years, BT maize has led to an additional production of 1.76 million tonnes of maize, reducing pressure on natural resources. Achieving this production with conventional maize would need an extra 166,000 hectares, eliminating natural areas and allocating them to agriculture. This increased production led to a reduction in Spanish maize imports for an approximate value of €314 million. Carbon fixation of cereals is much higher than the emissions associated with agriculture. Thus, growing grains can be considered natural storage of CO2. Bearing in mind the net fixation and additional productivity, BT maize has created extra carbon fixation of nearly 1.4 million tonnes of CO2. This amount is equal to offsetting emissions from over 9,000 million kilometres travelled by cars during this 24-year period. In addition, BT maize cultivation in Spain has enabled more sustainable water use, saving 93 million cubic metres of water. Of this number, 65 million was savings in irrigation water and 28 million the water employed to dilute nitrogen fertilisers. If we only look at the irrigation water saved, it would be equivalent to the annual supply for over 37,000 people. BT maize cultivation has not only offered sustainable solutions for agricultural problems, but has also improved the agronomic, economic and environmental performance of farms sustainably. Previous studies have concluded that BT maize cultivation in Spain has reduced insecticide use by 37% and reduced the environmental impact associated with maize crops by 21%. It has also contributed to maintaining rural population, leading to more profitable farming. BT maize production has increased farmers' revenues by over €170 per hectare. BT maize is only one example of what agricultural biotechnology can contribute towards achieving European Green Deal objectives. A technology that is a more sustainable agricultural model that can fight the large challenges posed by climate change. A technology that cannot be ignored.